I'm Mike Bernasconi of Neutra-Safe Corporation. Today we're here to talk about our system feeder. System feeders can be used in any closed-loop hydronic or thermal solar system requiring up to 50 pounds of cold static pressure. Using a system feeder eliminates the need for backflow prevention and pressure reducing valves. The tank has a molded-in level gauge, so it's easy to check fluid levels. Use of a system feeder easily enables you to check the system for leaks. Our system feeders are compatible with all types of hydronic and solar antifreeze and other additives that you might need to add to the system. Our system feeder starts with an extremely rugged roto-molded tank made of LDPE. The tank has 4 1/4-20 threaded inserts mounted in the bottom for mounting to a bracket or to other structure. A 5-inch vented cap allows for easy filling and easy inspection inside the tank. A custom electrical enclosure contains our proprietary electronic circuit board. All connections are screw type, making for easy component replacement. Circuit board also includes a pilot duty double throw alarm circuit, which is triggered by the float switch when the fluid level in the tank gets low. The alarm contacts are dry and can be connected to any remote device requiring a dry set of contacts. A spare connector is provided in the electrical enclosure for connection to the alarm circuit. The digital control allows you to set your cut-in and cut-out pressure at any level up to 50 psi. Instructions for setting the digital pressure switch are permanently mounted to the unit on a laminated card. The tank contains a 150 micron suction filter, which eliminates any debris in the tank from getting into the pump. A commercial-grade 12-volt DC pump has a built-in check valve and a pressure safety switch. The power supply is 12 volts DC and is UL listed and plugs into the electrical enclosure. Outlet is a 1/2 inch PVC ball valve with threaded connection. Choose Neutrasafe and you'll see the difference is clear. All of our products are available through your local plumbing and heating distributor. Please visit our website at www.neutrasafe.com. Thank you.